Welcome to another lesson with Ming. Today's lesson is about logarithm, and our learning target for this class is I can explain the meaning of logarithm. Let us get started by looking at this particular problem. Well, here we have a box equal to 8. Basically, this question is how much 2 has to be raised in order to get 8? Very good. The answer in this case is 3. Now, this particular question can also be written as such, that is 2x equal to 8. What does x has to be in order to get 8? Right. Another way to write this question is this way, that is, say, logarithm 8 base 2. Logarithm 8 base 2. These two statements are actually identical. So we are basically asking, instead of writing it this way, we write log 8 base 2 is x. Alright, here I have summarized it in writing. That is, logarithm 8 base 2 equal to x means 2 has to be raised x times to get 8. So similarly, we could ask this question. 10x equal to 100. That is the same as logarithm 100 base 10 is equal to x. Logarithm 100 base 10 is equal to x. Similarly, 3x equal to 81 is equivalent to saying logarithm 81 base 3 is equal to x. Basically, logarithm give us the answer x. That is, logarithm can be thought of as the opposite of exponent, because the answer to logarithm, let's say logarithm 81 base 3 is the answer x. That is the exponent of 3 to make it equal to 81. And this one, you may want to try it yourself first. What is the equivalent statement of this? 4 to the power y equal to 64. Very good. That is logarithm 64 base 4 is equal to y. Welcome back. Let's consider this question. Well, the equivalent statement is, for this one, is 3 squared equal to 9. So remember that the answer in logarithm is that the answer is the index, so it's 2. So logarithm, and then the base here is 3, and here is 9, so it's logarithm 9 base 3. So the base is put always at the bottom, and the answer is always the index. All right, next one. Well, logarithm. So here the base is 81, so I put in here 81 smaller, and the number is 27, or sometimes it's called a factor, and the answer is the exponent 3/4. And the last one is logarithm a, that's the factor, base is the b, small b, and the answer is the exponent x. Do you get all of them correct? If yes, excellent. If you look at the answer to these three, the base here is 3, the first one, the second one is 81, and the third one is b. Now, very often that you will see that in mathematics, you will find that people just call this log 7, for example. When the base is not written, this is assumed to be log base 10. And log base 10 can also be written as LG7 log. So when the base is not identified, then this means it's base 10. Now there's another base which is special. This is called log 7 base E. This is called also written as ln7. This ln in Latin is the Latin word for natural log. Natural logarithm. So what is E here? Well, E here is a special number.